This evening, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness has announced that victims of Hurricane Melissa can expect cash grants of $75,000 to $500,000 Jamaican dollars.
He made the announcement earlier today. Kimberly Petty has that story.
Victims of Hurricane Melissa have been anxious about the aid that will be coming from the government to help them rebuild. Well, the wait is over as Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness laid out the figures persons will get based on the assessments done on their properties. But how will the money be distributed?
75,000 minor damage. That would get you a couple sheets of zinc, put back on your roof. Of course, this is not meant to totally rehabilitate. This is to support. So you have to make a contribution to that process.
For persons with major damage,
we are assessing that you may have lost a section of your roof that would amount to maybe a room, but the structure is still intact, it's still functional, it's accessible, you still have some shelter, but there's great inconvenience.
They will receive $200,000. $125,000 of that sum must focus exclusively on roof repair. And for those persons severely affected,
would mean that you would have lost probably a roof accounting for more than 2 rooms or a total loss. The structure is inaccessible or totally damaged. And for that, you get $500,000.
He went further.
Now, we know that the restoration of shelter is not only the restoration of the roof. And therefore, the assessors, the instrument that they go to the public with, would ask, what are your critical needs?
He also made this announcement.
If you are an owner of several houses, you can only get one benefit. Right? This is not for the greedy. This is for the needy.
Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.